Secretary of AIYF, he has already talked about the resolutions and tasks that this conference has taken. See, this is very clear with all of us that the coming time is of a fight. There is no other way. Youth will have to take this task, and this is the resolution of the conference also, that all the forces in this country, those who are fighting for employment, those who are fighting for free and compulsory education, they all should come together and they should tell the BJP government that this country doesn't belong to the corporates of this country. This country belongs to the poor people, the people those who are working in the fields, the people those who are working in the factories. And the unemployed youth is asking this government, if you came up with the promise of 2 crore jobs every year, and if you are not able to provide the jobs, then you have no right to continue as a central government. So the youth, unemployed youth, and people those who are fighting from universities and colleges against new education policy, the policy which basically gives the education sector in the hands of the very rich people of this country, we have a common fight, student and youth, for employment and education. And from today's press conference, we are giving this call that in the very coming days, when the national councils of these organizations will be sitting together again, in the light of our conference resolutions, we will be charting out one program at national level as well as in the states, so that we tell the youth of this country that with hope, the hope that is being given by farmer struggle, the victory is possible. If you are united, the government can be made bend down to its knees. With that hope, we will be fighting for youth and students in this country. And we ask all of you, all the people who will be watching this press conference, to get united. The fight is very near and we will have to fight it unitedly. Thank you.
Okay. ఇప్పుడు దాకా